At 11:30 p.m., May 1920, a carpenter by the name of Donald Murray informed Police Constable Forbes that there were some men in his yard trying to take out the German gun. PC Forbes investigated and found 12 to 16 ex-servicemen trying to take the gun out of the gate and get it into the river.
Oi! If there's any damage to this property, you will be under arrest and you'll be held responsible!
Despite warnings, the gun was taken out, slid on rollers, and was put into the river.